Welcome back to HDTechLogic. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see I've got my footage imported into Premiere Pro, and in order to add subtitles we're going to want to do Ctrl and T on our keyboard. But hold on, before we do that let's just go over what the different versions and keyboard shortcuts mean. If you're using newer or more recent versions of Premiere, then pressing T on your keyboard will open the text tool. If you're on older versions, that'll open the trim tool, not what you want. So on older versions, you're going to need to go Control T to open what in the newer versions would be the legacy editor. Let's name it Subtitles, and as you can see, this dialog has come up. In newer versions, this would be called the legacy text editor. What we're going to do is have a quick listen of the audio.
Hello, this is a test and what you're currently hearing is being played through Premiere Pro. Enjoy!
So what we're going to do is we're going to get this and we're going to make it as good as we want. So we're going to adjust it and make it look good and just how we want it. After you're happy with how it looks, close this dialog. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the marker tool at the ready, and you're going to want to mark where every single different line you want is. So
hello.
So we can cut that bit off straight away. But as you can see, we've got these markers here. Now this is going to signify where we're going to have different text. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we're going to want to do is copy subtitles and paste it 6 times, or 5 times, because there's going to be 5 or 6 pieces of text more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to edit it to have what each of them say.
This is a test.
That's going to say this is a test. We're now going to add these pieces of text, the necessary parts on the timeline. Hello goes from here to the end of the marker, and this will help you mark where it is. This is a test, we'll go from there to there. And what you're currently hearing will go from there to there. Is being played through can go from there to there. Premiere Pro, go there. Just going to want to adjust it to there. I only enjoy is going to go there. Now note that if you want to mark your subtitles in a different colour, make sure you've selected all of them, go to Label and choose a different colour. Now it should look something like this.
Hello, this is a test and what you're currently hearing is being played through Premiere Pro. Enjoy!
Anyway, that's mostly how you add subtitles. Now in newer versions of Premiere, you can do this automatically, but you don't have many customization options. So if you want to manually edit your subtitles, this is the best route.